action and everybody copies it.
Can we do this?
Wait, I mean, wait.
You do whatever you want.
What? And then when everybody finishes what?
I mean, that person changes
It's
the
murder.
move and then you change it.
It's like murder, but
has to guess who's the leader of changing that move. Is it?
You know murder how you wink
Do
at
not
someone
play
and
it.
they
Is it?
Who not?
Okay, there's one in the middle.
Oh, you play. I watch.
No, I'll explain it. There's one in the middle.
Hey guys, listen up to.
It's her game. She came up with.
listen up. Watermelons. Watermelons with the ice cream. We got the chocolate sauce.
Watermelon ice
Whoa.
cream.
We got the watermelon and the ice cream inside the watermelon.
What game are you
Not
playing?
Melanie.
What game are you
No,
playing?
yeah, we
Huh?
got watermelon.
Explain now.
What did you
You're
say?
listening.
And okay,
What'd you say?
fight night. Okay, it starts off. Someone's in the middle, and then there's gonna be one person who starts it on the outside. That person.
No, sorry.
There's gonna be one starting
Action.
move, action, whatever, and then there's gonna be one person that changes it all the time. So if we all start off with this, and then if I'm allocated, I will change it to maybe like doing it like going like this, and then everyone's gonna copy. And someone has to, the person around will have to look to see who's changing the moves.
Ah,
Who's the
And
leader?
then one person changes the moves.
yeah.
got it.
Oh, can I just watch?
No, do you get it?
Yeah, I get it. I just watch.
Okay, goes on. Get out.
Goes
Goes on.
You're the one.
Goes,
Guess
goes
out.
son. Goes something.
I didn't know I was looking. Just close up the circles. Or if you want, up to you. Alright.
Whoa!
Come on, play. We're waiting. Are we
Out.
playing?
Okay.
Where are you going? Oh. No, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Can I nominate who to think?
But don't say it, just put it in.
Yeah, do see him.
But then don't look! Dumb.
Change it. Change it. So
No,
someone
no.
that does an action.
No,
you have to follow that
which one
person.
are we playing? Just one person does it all the time.
Which are we playing?
Oh,
Your one. Oh, is that not?
It's like that.
She has to come back in.
You try and see who's changing it.
Carol, you have to come back in.
But you run copies.
Okay, I'll explain.
okay, this is a different one. Come inside. This is different. This is
What is that
different.
to Jason's game?
No, that's what he was explaining.
Oh, come on. Go sit down.
Come inside.
Hey, it's still a game.
Cass.
It's still a game. It's still a game. Alright.
Hold on,